Changing your plan on Sanity is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sanity website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account for which you want to change the plan. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your project dashboard. This is where you can manage your projects and settings, including plan changes. Step 3. Access billing settings. In the dashboard, locate the billing or account settings section. This is typically found in the sidebar or under your account profile menu. Step 4. Select change plan. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans offered and select the one that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and complete the change. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your new plan. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Sanity support for assistance.